Hi there, my name is Chris, Sales Manager for Sound and Vision in Bolton. We're having a look today at an extremely low profile soundbar from Yamaha, the YSP2200. It's only 79mm in height. The soundbar itself contains 16 drive units, giving out a total of 132 watts output and 100 watts output to the subwoofer. The subwoofer that you see here can be mounted vertically, as you see. It can also be mounted horizontally as well. The soundbar comes with a microphone, which is this unit here. The microphone plugs into the front of the soundbar just here as well. When you plug the microphone in, you position the microphone roughly where you are sat in the room. Now, it has a quite sophisticated way of doing this for you. What it will do is basically bounce the sound off the walls in the room and will give you up to 7.1 surround sound from a single source. So you are getting full surround sound from this unit without having the addition of separate speakers around the room. So it will do a full acoustic room setup for you up to 7.1 surround sound. Before we go into the menu display, which is on the front of the unit here, basically you've got 11 different sound fields. You've got 3 for movies, 3 for music and 5 for entertainment, of which it displays on here. You've also got adjustable feet just underneath here as well. Now you can adjust these feet to set the correct height for the soundbar also. Before we have a look at the different sound fields and the displays on this unit, we'll just take a quick look at the sockets on the back of this soundbar. Okay, so we have here 3 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI out. So if you've got a satellite or cable HD box, you can go in with the HDMI cable into the back of the unit. You've also got optical inputs. There's 2 here as well, so you would need an optical cable from your satellite box in conjunction with your HDMI. You've also got another 2 HDMI inputs, of which you could plug a Blu-ray DVD or games console into these units as well. You can plug all 3 items into here, whether it's Blu-ray DVD, games console and your satellite or cable box, and output it all via the 1 HDMI to the TV. Very simple, very straightforward to connect up. The HDMI out is also ARC, Audio Return Control ready. So if you've got a modern TV, normally HDMI 2 on the back of the TV, take a HDMI lead from here into that socket, and there's no additional leads needed for sound from your TV. It will do it all through the HDMI. You have got, I said, additional optical socket here marked TV, so if you've not got audio return on your TV, you can also take an optical lead from the back of your TV into here as well, so you can feed the sound through the optical input, and there's a secondary optical input on here as well. You've also got digital coaxial feed on here, so you've got able to take the sound in through the soundbar through a digital coaxial cable. You've got video out, which is composite video out, so if you're not using HDMI you could use composite video out. You've then got a socket for a iPod dock, which I'll tell you more about in just a moment, and you've also got audio input on here, which is standard red and white analog audio input. So if you've not got optical out on your TV, you can also use the analog audio right and left as well. And finally, the other socket on the rear are the connections for your subwoofer, which are just spring clips, red and black connection, standard speaker cable from there to the back of the sub. Okay, so regarding the iPod connection, you've seen the socket on the rear of this unit. There's 2 units that you can get from Yamaha. There's a YDS12, which will connect directly into the back of there, and you just connect your iPod or iPhone directly to the docking station. But they also do a wireless unit, which is the YID-W10. Both these units are available from us, which you can connect your iPod or iPhone then wirelessly to this unit as well. So 2 different docking units there, 1 wired and 1 wireless for you. So let's take a closer look now at the menu system on the soundbar itself. First of all, this is the remote. In fact, let's take a closer look at this for you. On the remote control, we're going to be looking at, first of all, the different DSP settings along the top here. I said there's 3 for movies, 3 for music and 3 for entertainment. You can also switch these off as well, so you can have it running without any of the effects at all. You've got different surround sound modes, and you can run it in just stereo sound as well. So let's have a look at those menus now on the front of the unit. Okay, so using the remote control now, if we go through the different settings on here, first of all, we'll look at entertainment. If we press that button, we've got talk show, drama, various different effects to the sound for gaming that you can have on there as well. Multi-channel stereo and sports mode. So you've got 5 different modes there. The next one we'll look at will be music. So in the music menu, you've got 3 adjustments for jazz, music video, and concert hall, so you've got 3 adjustments there. And finally, you've got 3 DSP modes for movies, for sci-fi, adventure, so you've got your 3 different options there for the movies. You can also switch the effects off, so that will switch the DSP mode off completely. You can run the unit just in stereo, or you can have it in surround sound. At the moment it indicates that it's running in 5 beam mode for you as well. You've got full setup as well, so on the remote control, just here you have the setup button. When you press setup, it will take you into the setup menu, of which you've got various different adjustments to subwoofer outputs and various other things you can make, as well as getting into various displays. All these displays, as well as being on the front of the unit, you can also get them if you have this hooked up to your TV using the video out on the back of the unit. You can get all these menus on your screen as well. So there you have it. There's a quick rundown on the YSP2200. As I said, you've got full displays on the unit itself, or using the video out on the back, you can send all the displays to your TV screen as well, so either or. Adjustable feet. These feet just unscrew, as we mentioned before, so you can set the height of the unit itself to the correct height, and the subwoofer you can have vertical or horizontal. Really takes up no room at all. Very compact unit, only 79mm in height. These units are on display in both our Bolton and Leeds stores. If you'd like a demonstration, come down because it's absolutely awesome. It sounds superb. Come and have a listen to it. If you'd like more details, please give me a call. My name is Chris on 01204 861 861. Only too pleased to talk to you and give you some more information on this unit. Or go online, go onto our website, which is soundinvision.co.uk. Not only will you find more information on this particular unit, as well as other soundbars, we've got other videos on there relating to TVs, amplifiers and speaker systems. There's hundreds of video clips on there for you to take a closer look at the product itself. So please give me a call if you'd like some more information on 01204 861 861. Thank you.